Are you looking for a prime location in Hyderabad with high return on investment? Then Srisalem Highway is the perfect choice. From the house of arising developers, here we present the most promising opportunity for valuable investment. Welcome to the Valley of Happiness. Welcome to Peacock Valley. Spanning across 14 acres, this DTCP and RERA approved project is located in the pollution-free zone of Karthal village at Srisalem Highway. This vibrant area is quickly emerging as the new hotspot, transforming the south of Hyderabad into the new west. Srisalem Highway is conveniently located near Hyderabad's most desirable neighborhoods, including the financial district, IT hub, and key transit hubs like the International Airport and Outer Ring Road. It is an ideal location with immense potential for future appreciation. This highly in-demand location promises significant returns on your investment. Strategically placed next to the world's largest pharma city, Peacock Valley stands as a beacon of growth and prosperity. Apart from remarkable location advantages, Peacock Valley caters to a diverse range of preferences and lifestyles. The key feature of Peacock Valley include, but not limited to, 100% Vastu compliance, 212 open plots, ample green spaces, landscape gardens, world-class infrastructure, luxurious amenities. Here's the best part. To add more value to your investment and make it more profitable for you, we are planting 8 red sandalwood trees, 4 fruit trees, and 2 vegetable plants in every plot. By investing in Peacock Valley, you will reap double benefits in no time. The 2-acre Grand Farm Resort at Peacock Valley is an oasis of relaxation and ultimate delight. Residents can escape the hustle of daily life and immerse themselves in the serene beauty of this resort, surrounded by picturesque landscapes. Here are few lavish amenities at a rising farm resort: swimming pool, kids pool, jacuzzi, meditation area, children's play area, box cricket, beach volleyball, basketball, badminton, indoor games, rain dance, party lawn, campfire, gazebos, party deck, convention hall, corporate boardroom, luxury rooms, dormitory, hospitality staff. And as an added bonus, purchase a plot at Peacock Valley and get a free membership to all 16 resorts of Arising Group for 21 years with 21 access passes per year. With family and friends, you will have ample opportunities to indulge in the ultimate resort experience. Besides offering exceptional facilities, Peacock Valley is also in proximity to numerous other landmarks such as Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, Karthal Pyramid Center, Outer Ring Road, Hardware Park, Regional Ring Road, TCS, GMR AeroCity, Air Cargo Complex, Adani and Amazon data centers, Tumalur IT Cluster, Wonderla Amusement Park, Chinnajiyar Vedic University, and Manchester Global School. One of the key locational advantages of Peacock Valley is Government of India has sanctioned a new 4-line highway from Hyderabad to Tirupati with an iconic cable bridge over Krishna River. It will reduce the distance to Tirupati by 80 kilometers. It will soon become one of the busiest commercial highways because of its connectivity to Tirupati, Chennai and other regions of Tamil Nadu.
Other upcoming developments include 340 kilometers 4-lane regional ring road, 50 radial roads connecting regional ring road and outer ring road, 300-foot wide greenfield road exit number 13 from Ravirala to Karthal, Young India Skills University in Kandukur, Hyderabad Outer Ring Rail Project, New International Cricket Stadium at Begari Kancha, Night Jungle Safari in Karthal and Amangal Forest.
You can surely expect high appreciation in the land value pretty soon. Come, immerse yourself in the beauty of nature and discover the magic that awaits in every corner of Peacock Valley. Invest today for a secure and prosperous tomorrow. Peacock Valley, your path to peace and prosperity. Right investment for the bright future. Arising Developers.